Hey guys, I wanted to show you something that I'm working on right now. My car got hit by a piece of a tire a while back and it put a nice dent in the front. That's what it looks like. The damage caused this under the flap on the underside of the car to hang down, and every time I try to park in front of a curb, it ends up getting caught and then it causes a huge noise, and it's not the most fun experience when people are watching. So I looked under there, and there are a couple of pieces that looks like they used to hold that piece level, but there's some parts missing. So I wanted to see if I could put this together so that the flap stays level again and it gets held there indefinitely. So let's see if I can take care of this. So here's what I did. I was able to find a hole from this plate here and this plate here. These are two separate pieces, and put a zip tie here and did the same thing there and there. So there's three different spots that's holding this piece up. And so now the plate's not hanging down so far anymore. Hopefully that's gonna hold up and not drag on the ground or hit any curbs or anything like that. So anyway, that's my fix. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.